Hello, beautiful. My name is Joany and welcome to my channel. Now, if you've done the video last week, it's kind of a follow-up. If not, I would recommend to do the video on the 3 dance steps, the traveling steps. This week, we're doing circles. We're going to add some beautiful, infinite, fluid circles traveling on those 3 steps. Get into something comfortable and come and belly dance with me. Deep breath in up, breathe out, proper posture. I want you to lean over your arch and soften the knees, tuck your palms a little bit, chest lifted. All right, our circles. We'll start with the half circles. We're going to start going to the right, so I want you to push your pelvis forward. When you push your pelvis forward, you're going to just kind of squeeze the glutes a little bit to help you kind of push forward, but loop towards your right, all the way down the right foot. And half circle to the front, to the left. Forward and hold. Forward, hold. Half circle front, switch the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Following the maximum rhythm. Doom, tack, doom, tack, doom, tack. 1, 2, 3. So when I'm going forward, my whole weight is on the ball of both feet. And then when I'm to the side, it goes to all on one foot. Okay? Forward on both feet, side, most on one. Forward, side, forward. So it's important to know the weight change, because when we start traveling, you gotta know where to put your weight. So forward to the left and forward to the right. So that's just a half circle forward. Let's do a half circle towards the back. To the right, left. 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, 1, 2. Feel that weight change from one foot to the other. The moment you shift your circle to that side, that's where the weight should be. If it's all on the right, the weight should be all on the right foot. Okay, so 90% of the weight should be on that foot. 10% on the other one. Okay, so now let's do a full circle. Combine the front, the back. Here you go, to the front, to the back. Where's your weight? Back heel, right foot, all of your feet, and most of the left foot. Okay, feel that. Really important. Mostly when we start traveling, you gotta know where that weight goes. You don't want to lose your pelvic circle. Keep that going. All right. I'm going to combine footwork with that circle. You ready? So we're going counterclockwise right now, so we're going to be going to the left. So put all the weight on the right foot. Okay, so now you're going to put the weight on the ball of your feet going forward, and then shifting to the left foot. And as you bring that foot in, the pelvic should be back, and the moment you put the weight on that right foot, that hip should be on the right. Feet apart when you go forward. And as you shift your weight to the right, to your left, bring that foot in a little bit. and then put the weight on the heels, both heels, and then shift the weight on the right. Forward, feet are apart. To your left hip, bring your leg in, circle back, weight on the heels, and then the weight on the right, getting ready to step out. Slowly. And now hold it here. Hold it to the left. Now we're going to switch over. We're going to go to your right. So again, every time your feet is apart, that is when you're going to bring your pelvis to the front. And then the weight goes to your right hip, right foot, pull that in, weight on most on the heels, push back, circle back, and shift the weight on your left heel. Feet apart, bring it in, circle back, to the left, feet apart, push forward, right hip, back, left hip, forward, right, back, left. Okay, so no weight on the right foot. You're getting ready to step out. Now the weight on the right foot, bring the left foot in, push back with the heels, and to the left. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to start. We'll do, let's do 2 full circle, and then a third we're going to hold. So we're going to go 1, full circle, bring that foot in. So you just did 1 full medium circle, 2 forward, side, back, side. Now we're just going to do a half circle here. Half circle, and keep the weight on the left. Good. Now let's shift to the right, do 2 full circle, finish with a half circle forward, and we go forward. Bring the feet together, push back, start over, circle, forward, side, back, side, half circle, and to the right, bring that left foot. Let's do that one more time slow. So 2 full circle, there you go. Forward, back, forward circle, half circle back, a half circle to the front, and then hold, switch over to the right. Forward, circle back, bring your feet together. Remember, when you go forward, the feet comes apart, and then when you bring your feet together, you finish your circle, and then apart, and now hold and switch. Okay, a little bit faster. We're gonna go step out, step in, step out, step in, step out, and hold. Circle forward, circle back, circle forward, circle back, circle forward, and hold. Circle forward, circle back, circle forward, circle back, circle forward, and hold. Circle forward, circle back, circle forward, circle back, circle forward, and hold. Now let's just do 1 circle, 1 full circle, add to a half circle. Circle forward, circle back, circle forward, and hold. Circle forward, circle back, circle forward, and hold. So we're traveling sideways with our circles. Hold. Forward, back, forward, and hold. Forward, back, forward, and hold. Good. Now let's go forward and back with a circle. So that's going to be, it won't be where you're crossing your feet. Let me make sure you see my feet. It won't be forward, forward, forward. It'd be more like a step together, step together. So you're going to start with, let's start with your right foot. You're going to go right. Okay, just bring your feet together. So chasse. And then step forward, and then chasse. Okay? And then you're gonna bring the left, your right foot, my right foot back, step together, step back together. So you're not bringing your foot far back, you're just bringing your feet together. Let's do that again, right side. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Okay, and then go back with the right. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Good. So let's do that with the circle. And feet apart, pelvis forward. 1, feet together, pelvis back. 2, 3, and then hold. Now switch and go to the back with your right foot. And let's just twist back and 1, 2, 3, and then hold 4. Good. So now let's do the left side. Same thing. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So right foot, you're gonna go clockwise, and then going back counterclockwise. And 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Step together, step and hold. Step together, step and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now let's go sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, back, front, hold. Excellent. So now let's do in place. In place, all I want you to do is go into your classical pose, and you're going to do a horizontal circle. So you're going to bring your pelvis forward, side, and then back to center. Okay, so it's like this. Forward, side, back, center, forward, side, back, center, forward, side, back, center, forward, back, side, and switch. And pelvis, forward, side, back, center, forward, side, back, center. Forward, side, back, center. So my standing leg is not long, okay? So I'm making sure that I'm sitting on the arch of the foot, of my right foot, on my standing leg, soft knees. And now we're going to start putting this all together. You ready? So let's go to the left, sideways, forward, and then in place. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back with your right foot. 2, 3. Now on your spot. And 1. So I'm going counterclockwise. I'm doing one more circle, and then as I go forward, I'm going to finish and switch. So I didn't go all the way back. Now I'm going to do this one. 1, bring it back. 2, 3, one more. 4, and then step out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back with the left. 1, 2, 3 to the side, right, switch, left, to the front, in place, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, travel left, 1, 2, and 1, 2 to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 to the left again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. In place. Counterclockwise, switch to the right. Was that counterclockwise? This is clockwise, but counterclockwise for you. And travel to the right. To the front. Back. And here's your traveling step. Forward and back. Sideways and in place. Keep practicing those. And that was just your pelvis. You could do chest circle too, horizontal. But we're just gonna focus on the pelvis area. You have a wonderful week. Love you guys. Bye.